It gives us a good pavilion to really reach out to the market and interact with industry leaders.
Booths are having new products, new range and everything, new innovations.
We've been getting a lot of interactions from the customers, from the visitors. The footfall, I feel, is increasing day by day.
It helps us to keep us updated into what's going on with the industry.
Well, it is a brand building exercise for us. Definitely, it's in long term, it benefits us.
There are lots of new technologies are coming up.
I'm coming from country of Oman and I represent government of Oman and Sohar port and free zone.
अच्छा पोटेंशियल है, मतलब काफ़ी ग्रोथ मिलता है इन सब चीज़ों से. काफ़ी कुछ आज यहाँ पे देख के मतलब कई नए ब्रांड्स मिले, कई नए कंपनी मिली, काफ़ी अच्छा रहा.
मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ तो मेरे लिए तो बेस्ट है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं मेरे बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए.